This is a PIXLIP EXPO strut, and that's what we're going to talk about now. The taller and longer you design and build your lightbox, the more likely you are to need struts. We recommend installing a strut for stability for any length over 2 meters so that your aluminum profiles don't sag and your print always stays perfectly tight. It stays taut. But a strut in the Expo system has even more advantages. For example, it can be used to mount monitors or other exhibits. You can install the struts individually, either horizontally or vertically, or, as in this case, combine them. It's definitely super easy and you don't need any tools for it. The strut comes with 2 color-coded feet. Gray for one side, white for the other. Each comes with the appropriate adapter and a lock for each side. And this is how we assemble the strut. Then you take the strut foot, put it in here, and then click the lock in here. Done. You need the adapter if you want to insert the strut into the middle, wider groove. If you want to anchor the strut in one of the outer grooves or into another strut, you don't need an adapter. And now you decide where the strut will be installed. If only one side of the lightbox is illuminated, then you choose the outer groove. And if both sides are illuminated, then you select the middle groove. Now you simply insert the strut into the groove and do the same at the top. Quarter turn and it's in place. If you want to use the middle groove, simply put on the color matching adapters. Attach them with a 90-degree turn, insert them here into the groove and turn another 90 degrees. By the way, it doesn't matter whether you install a strut horizontally or vertically, the principle remains the same. You can also connect struts to each other. To do this, adjust the vertical strut to the length of the cross strut. This strut here sits in the middle groove, so we need an adapter here. Simply insert it, quick and easy, twist it in, and it's secure. In conclusion, the struts provide more stability, no matter how you arrange them. But there's also an added benefit. You can hang objects on them. We've made a separate video for you about that. You can find this and many others at PIXLIP.